Hello everyone! Today I will teach you the kinds of systems of linear equations in two variables. Our objective, we are going to illustrate a system of linear equations in two variables. Systems of linear equations in two variables. So a linear equation in two variables is an equation that can be written in the form ax plus by is equal to c. Or more linear equations is called a system of linear equation. So, system of linear equation ang tawag pag we have two or more linear equations. Okay, so ito yung example ng ating linear equation. So, this is a system of linear equations kasi we have two linear equations in two variables. So, first equation we have ax sub 1 plus by sub 1 is equal to c sub 1. Then, second is ax sub 2 plus by sub 2 is equal to c sub 2. Okay. So, the system is consistent and dependent system. So, if the system is consistent and dependent system, the slopes are equal, the y-intercepts are equal, number of solutions, many or infinite solutions, then the lines coincide. Pag ang system naman ay consistent and independent, the slopes are not equal. The y-intercepts must be equal or not equal. So, remember, pag consistent and independent, slopes are not equal, pero yung y-intercept ay pwedeng maging equal or not equal. Then, ang number of solutions ay 1. So, only one solution. Then, the line intersect. So, intersecting line, one solution. Because, when a line is an intersecting line, it only intersects at one point. So, one point, and that is a solution. So, therefore, we have only one solution. Then, pag inconsistent system naman, yung slopes natin ay equal, pero yung y-intercept ay not equal. So, observe the difference. So, pag consistent and dependent, equal yung slope, equal din dapat yung y-intercept, both are equal. Then, pag consistent and independent naman, yung slopes automatically ay not equal, then malalaman na natin na yung system natin ay consistent and independent without looking sa ating y-intercept. Kasi yung y-intercept, ang condition ay pwedeng maging equal or not equal. Then, pag inconsistent naman, yung slopes natin ang equal, then ang y-intercept not equal. So, number of solutions, no solution kasi ang line natin ay parallel line. So, pag parallel line, they never meet at a point. So, they have no solution. So, without graphing, describe the graph, determine the number of solutions, and determine whether the system is consistent and dependent, independent and consistent, or inconsistent. So, we have here system of linear equations. First one, 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. Then, second one, x minus 3y is equal to negative 1. So, let us first change the first equation into slope-intercept form to solve for the slope and y-intercept. Okay? So, we have 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. So, to write this equation in slope-intercept form, y is equal to mx plus b. So, we have positive 2y equals. Then, yung 3x natin, i-transpose natin sa right side ng ating equal sign. So, it will become negative 3x, then copy positive 8. Kasi yung positive 8, hindi natin siya inilipat sa left side ng equation. So, dito pa rin siya. So, positive 8. Okay. Then, to find y, or write the equation in y is equal to mx plus b. So, divide it by 2. Okay? Divide 2y by 2 para maging y na lang ang matitira. So, 2y divided by 2. Then, negative 3x plus 8 also divided by 2. Okay? So, division property of equality. So, pag nag-divide tayo dito ng 2, magdi-divide din tayo sa right side ng 2. So, 2y divided by 2. So, 2 divided by 2, 1. So, 1y. Okay, makancel na to. So, we have only 1y. Equals, so, negative 3x divided by 2. So, we have negative 3 halves x. Then, positive 8 divided by 2, we have positive 4. Okay, so dito, yung equation natin ay nasa slope-intercept form na. So, yung y is equal to mx plus b. Yung m natin, ito yung slope natin. So, yung slope natin dito ay negative 3 halves. Yung b ang y-intercept. So, y-intercept is positive 4. Next. So, sa second equation, x minus 3y is equal to negative 1. Okay. Write this in the form y is equal to mx plus b. So, we have negative 3y equals. So, yung x ilipat natin sa sa right side. So, negative 3y equals, so from positive, it will become negative x. Then, sa negative 1, same pa rin, negative 1. Okay. Then, to solve or to find y, so i-divide natin ito by negative 3, same sa right side, divided by negative 3. Then, cancel, kasi negative 3 divided by negative 3, positive 1. So, makancel na to, we have 1y. Okay, then negative x or negative 1x divided by negative 3, we have positive 1 over 3x. Then negative 1 divided by negative 3, so we have positive 1/3. Okay, now let us consider the slope and the y-intercept. So the slopes are not equal. So since not equal yung slope, not equal rin yung ating y-intercept. Pero automatically, pag not equal yung slope, ang ating system ay consistent and independent system. And it has the lines intersect. So, pag not equal yung slope, the lines intersect, the system is consistent and independent system, and it has only one solution. So, ito yung graph ng ating linear equation in two variables. So, ito yung graph ng 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. Then, yung blue naman na line is yung graph ng x minus 3y equals negative 1. Okay. So, they meet at a point. So, ang point, ang ordered pair, kung saan sila nag-meet is coordinates of positive 2, positive 1. So, yung x positive 2, yung y is positive 1. So, they meet at 2, 1. Okay, so only one solution. Ito yung solution nila. Ang point kung saan sila nag-meet. Next, so another 5x minus 3y equals 11 and 10x minus 6y equals 7. Okay? So, let us first change the first equation in a slope-intercept form. So, 5x minus 3y equals 11. So, write negative 3y, then equals, so 5x transposed to the right side, it will become negative 5x, then copy plus 11. Then, divide it by negative 3. Both sides of the equation, divide by negative 3. Then, negative 3y divided by negative 3. So, cancel that. Then, we have positive 1y. Then, negative 5x divided by negative 3. So, we have positive 5 third x. Then, positive 11 divided by negative 3. We have negative 11 over 3. Okay, so slope natin ay 5 thirds. Then, yung y-intercept ay negative 11 thirds. Okay, next, second equation, 10x minus 6y equals 7. Then, negative 6y equals, so yung positive 10x transpose, so it will become negative 10x, then plus 7. So, divided by negative 6, left and right side of the equation. Negative 6 divided by negative 6, positive 1y. Then, negative 10x divided by negative 6, we have positive 10 over 6x. So, yung positive 10 over 6, pwede pa natin itong ma-reduce in lowest term. Divide lang natin sila sa kanilang GCF na 2. So, yung positive 10 divided by 2, 5. Then, positive 6 divided by 2, we have positive 3. So, we have 5 over 3x. So, positive 5 over 3x. Then, positive 7 divided by negative 6, we have minus 7x. Okay. So, therefore, yung slope natin ay 5 over 3. Then, yung ating y-intercept ay 7 over 6. So, observe the slope. Slopes are equal, pero yung y-intercept are not equal. Therefore, the system is inconsistent system. Not consistent yung system. Then, the lines is, or the line is parallel. So, the lines are parallel, then it has no solution. Kasi pag parallel line, no solution. Okay, so ito yung graph ng ating system of linear equations in two variables. So, yung color green na line, ito yung graph ng 5x minus 3y equals 11. Then, yung color blue naman, 10x minus 6y equals 7. Okay, next, systems of linear equations. So, first equation, we have 4x minus y is equal to 3. Then, second equation, we have 8x minus 2y is equal to 6. Okay, let us first change the first equation to slope-intercept form. So, negative y equals, so positive 4x transpose to the right side, it will become negative 4x plus 3. Then, since negative yung y, we have to multiply both sides of the equation by negative 1 to make y positive y. Okay, so multiplying by negative 1. So, negative 1 times negative y, we have positive y. Negative 4x times negative 1, we have positive 4x. Then, positive 3 times negative 1, we have negative 3. Okay, so slope is 4, y-intercept is negative 3. Okay, next. Second equation, 8x minus 2y is equal to 6. So, we have negative 2y equals, then yung 8x transpose to the right side, it will become negative 8x plus 6. Okay, then, divided by negative 2, same sa right side, divided by negative 2. So, we have negative 2 divided by negative 2, so we have positive 1y, or positive y is equal to, so negative 8x divided by negative 2, so we have positive 4x. Then, positive 6 divided by negative 2, we have minus 3 or negative 3. Okay, so yung slope natin ay positive 4, yung y-intercept ay negative 3. Okay, so as you can observe, same sila. First and second equation, slope is positive 4, yung y-intercept ay negative 3. So, ibig sabihin, yung system natin ay consistent and dependent system. So, consistent sila and they depend on each other. So, the lines coincide and there is infinite solution. So, infinite or infinitely many solutions. So, daming solution, walang katapusang solution kasi consistent and dependent yung line. Okay, so ito yung graph ng ating linear equations. Consistent and dependent system. So, as you can see, the lines coincide. Okay? So, first line, that is the graph of 4x minus y is equal to 3. Then, the blue line, this is the graph of 8x minus 2y equal 6. So, they have infinitely many solutions because they meet at many points. So, ang daming points kung saan sila nag-meet. Okay? Same slope and same y-intercept.